Some new efforts to help hundreds of Illinois foster children stuck in hospitals after they've been cleared to leave.
Groups are taking action after Department of Children and Family Services Director Marc Smith was held in contempt of court 4 times over the issue. In the latest case, a 16-year-old girl was moved 25 times because they couldn't find proper placement. Now, advocates say situations like this one are happening every day. News Channel 20's Jordan Elders working with you with a closer look at this issue. Jordan?
That's right. Advocates say they want the children stuck in hospitals or shelters to have more of a voice. CASA of Cook County is already working on a program to make this happen, and it could spread to counties across the state.
I was left in a psych hospital past the time of my medical clearance. These should only be temporary environments, and children should not be in there for months and months and months at a time.
James McIntyre is a former foster child and says staying in a psychiatric hospital longer than necessary can be detrimental. It happened to him years ago, but the problem is getting worse. 356 children were locked in hospitals for longer than necessary last year, for about 55 days on average, both numbers setting new records.
We're continuing to get worse every year, every month, by every metric.
Charles Goldberg represents thousands of children in the state's care. He says this is all happening because DCFS doesn't have enough places to put the kids after deep cuts in 2015. The department now asking the state for $25 million to address the crisis.
It's a dent. It's not enough for a comprehensive solution.
McIntyre and the court-appointed special advocates, or CASA, of Cook County say they have a way to help too, matching their volunteers with the kids stuck in these situations.
And we can really be there with the department trying to find a permanent place for these children.
It's a $2 million proposal, but McIntyre and Goldberg agree these volunteers could give stuck children a voice that they've never had.
They really have the time to roll up their sleeves and yell and scream at these dopey obstructionist bureaucrats to get the job done.
CASA of Cook County has already taken on 10 cases of children stuck in a placement that they need to get out of. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Jordan Elder. Back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. DCFS Director Marc Smith arguing that he should not actually be held in contempt because of that girl, and she's currently in the hospital, which he says should count as proper placement. The judge says that Smith will be fined $1,000 a day if the girl isn't placed in residential care after she's cleared to leave.